So we're here today at the Hearthside home. This is a new construction home that Sharp Design and Construction just finished. I'm Taya Sharp. It's a modern farmhouse home. It has beautiful vaulted ceilings in the living room, wood beams, 9-foot ceilings throughout, all custom cabinetry, lots of black accents, a beautiful front and back porch. It's about 2,800 square feet, lots of designer lighting and plumbing fixtures. It's a beautiful home. Come take a look. This is a chef's dream kitchen. We've got beautiful quartz countertops throughout. We have a 40-inch farmhouse sink, all beautiful matte black Delta fixtures. And then over here, this is a show-stopping 40-inch cafe range, all gas. Our homeowner loves to cook, so this was a must-have for them. And then we have the dual oven over here and a beautiful cafe fridge in the back. We are in the beautiful great room of the Hearthside home. Behind me we have a custom built fireplace with brick and shiplap. Again, in black. These clients love the modern look of all the black throughout. We have custom shelves and built-ins on each side, designer lighting throughout. The feature of this great room that we all love are the vaulted ceilings with the beams and the beautiful chandelier. This great room is lit so well with all of the windows and the doors. It's a great place for your family to gather and watch TV and be by the fire. We're in the master suite area. The black and white modern theme has carried throughout this home, and again in this room we have a custom black and white soaking tub. I love this feature. All white tile in this bathroom with pops of black everywhere. Custom shower behind me, again with all matte black Delta fixtures. It's bright and it's beautiful.